Today, we delve into a topic that holds immense relevance for all of us who are aspiring to join the prestigious Indian Administrative Service, the lessons we can learn from the epic saga of the Mahabharata. Beyond its narrative of battles and valor, the Mahabharata offers a plethora of insights that can guide us through the trials and tribulations of our journey. As we tread the arduous path of IAS preparation, it is crucial that we draw wisdom from the experiences of its characters and the challenges they faced. Let's see following 8 such lessons that we aspirants can learn from this great epic. First, Dharma and dedication. At the heart of the Mahabharata lies the concept of dharma, one's duty and responsibility. Just as Arjuna grappled with his duty on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, we too face moments of doubt and uncertainty during our IAS preparation. The epic teaches us to remain steadfast in our commitment, regardless of the difficulties that may come our way. Second, endurance in the face of adversity. The Pandavas underwent years of exile, humiliation, and challenges. Similarly, our journey towards the IAS is fraught with long study hours, constant revisions, and sometimes disheartening mock test scores. Learning to endure these challenges with grace and determination is a lesson the Mahabharata imparts. Third, importance of mentorship. Eklavya's unwavering devotion to his guru and Arjuna's reliance on Krishna's guidance exemplify the significance of mentorship. As IAS aspirants, we should seek guidance from experienced mentors who can provide valuable insights and help us navigate the complexities of the preparation process. Fourth, strategic planning. The Mahabharata is replete with examples of strategic thinking. From Krishna's role as a master strategist to Bhishma's formation of the Chakravyuha, the epic underscores the importance of meticulous planning. Just as these strategies were formulated to overcome challenges, our study plans and time management strategies are vital to conquer the vast syllabus. Fifth, learning from failure. Karna's life is a poignant reminder that even the most talented individuals can face setbacks due to circumstances or choices. The Mahabharata teaches us not to be discouraged by failures but to use them as stepping stones towards success. Each unsuccessful attempt in our preparation can be seen as a chance to learn and improve. Sixth, balancing ethics and ambition. The story of the Mahabharata is rife with ethical dilemmas, from Yudhishthira's truthfulness to Arjuna's moral dilemma on the battlefield. Similarly, we often encounter dilemmas in our preparation. Should we compromise on our ethics to gain an advantage? The Mahabharata guides us to uphold our values even when faced with challenging situations. Seventh, unity and collaboration. The unity of the Pandavas and their allies was crucial in their victory. Similarly, the journey to IAS requires collective efforts. Forming study groups, sharing resources, and collaborating with fellow aspirants can enhance our understanding and broaden our perspectives. Eighth, patience and perseverance. Just as Draupadi's patience and determination sustained her through trials, our IAS journey demands unwavering patience and perseverance. The epic teaches us that success often requires time and consistent effort. In conclusion, the Mahabharata is a treasure trove of insights that can illuminate our path as IAS aspirants. Its stories resonate with our struggles, doubts, and aspirations. By imbibing the lessons of dharma, resilience, strategic thinking, and ethical conduct, we can not only become successful civil servants but also embody the virtues that this epic extols. As we study, face setbacks, and overcome challenges, let us remember that our journey is akin to the challenges faced by the characters of the Mahabharata. With determination, wisdom, and the spirit of service, we can transform ourselves into capable administrators who contribute meaningfully to our nation's progress. Thank you.